Tense chart with examples. Present simple. Example: I work. Usage: for habits, facts, and regular actions. Present continuous. Example: I am working. Usage: for actions happening right now or temporary situations. Present perfect. Example: I have worked. Usage: for actions that happened at some point in the past but are relevant to the present. Present perfect continuous. Example: I have been working. Usage: for actions that started in the past and are still continuing or have recently stopped. Past simple. Example: I worked. Usage: for completed actions at a specific time in the past. Past continuous. Example: I was working. Usage: for actions that were in progress at a specific moment in the past. Past perfect. Example: I had worked. Usage: for actions that were completed before another past action. Past perfect continuous. Example: I had been working. Usage: for actions that were ongoing before another action in the past. Future simple. Example: I shall work. Usage: for actions that will happen in the future. Future continuous. Example: I shall be working. Usage: for actions that will be in progress at a specific moment in the future. Future perfect. Example: I shall have worked. Usage: for actions that will be completed before a specific time in the future. Future perfect continuous. Example: I shall have been working. Usage: for actions that will have been ongoing up to a certain point in the future.